The summer's calling.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today I've got something little different but seriously exciting. The PockFog Electric Smoker. Tested during cozy nights and dinner parties, this isn't just a drink smoker, it's an experience. Thea and I can't get enough of it. We're officially obsessed. Well, before start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
Starting with the feel, PockFog is compact, sleek, and refreshingly simple. No apps or complicated setup, just 3 buttons: power, timer, and ignition. The detachable chamber clicks out cleanly, rinses in seconds, and pops back in without hassle. The display: bright, crisp, and instantly readable. The whole thing arrives in gift-ready packaging with multiple wood chip flavors already included. Whether set up for solo enjoyment or passed around at a gathering, the experience feels premium for the first use. Even Thea, usually skeptical of kitchen gadgets, saw it once and said, "This one's staying." This machine smokes fast and thick. A built-in arc lighter fires and chips instantly. The shallow chamber and multi-hole tray creates a dense, cinematic fog that wraps around cocktails, desserts, and even steaks. There are 3 duration options: 10, 15, or 20 seconds. I think the 15 seconds setting delivers the right mix of show and flavor. The wood chip notes come through clearly, subtle enough to blend, yet distinct enough to notice. Cherry and apple bring an aromatic edge that complements without overpowering. This isn't just visual drama, it actually enhances the taste. That rich bar style presentation now happens right at home, with barely any effort.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together.
The RGB lighting at the base sets the vibe effortlessly. Whether it's a quiet evening or a full-on party, it shifts the mood with style. 3 lighting moods: breathing, running, and always on, create ambience without being distracting. During a recent pour, Thea paused and said, "It looks like a magic show." That glow, paired with the fog, turns an ordinary drink into a moment worth watching. It's theatrical, but never over the top. Just the right balance between fun and elegant. Like something out of a high-end lounge, only it's happening right at the table.
Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December.
On a full charge, over 90 users have been clocked in. That's nearly 2 weeks of nightly cocktails on one charge. When it's time to top up, 90 minutes is all it takes. Well, there are some unexpected bonus. It's IPX6 waterproof. One spill during testing caused panic, but a quick wipe down later, everything worked perfectly. The gold-toned chamber lifts right out, quick rinse, and it's fresh again. No sticky mess, no lingering smoke, no burnt edges. It doesn't require maintenance, it invites it. Rinse, reload, repeat. Wow! This smoker wasn't just built to impress, it was built to last, and it hasn't missed a beat yet.
I know that I can't be without you.
Link to the PockFog is in the description box. Worth checking out for anyone into cocktail craft. Okay, the link isn't any affiliate link. I don't believe in affiliation. I don't want to earn from my subscribers and regular viewers. I'm here to share my honest opinion. Me and my girlfriend Thea, we both are in love with this PockFog smoker. so I'm sharing our honest opinion here. If you're interested, go ahead, check the product. The link is in the description box. But before you go, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.